In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Reverse 1999 on desktop. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to go ahead and head over to your browser and search for the free1999.bluepoch.com. So this is the official website of Reverse 1999. So in this website, you'll be able to find the links where you can download the app on your desktop and mobile devices. So just go ahead and scroll down and click on the download on PC button to be able to download the executable file on your desktop. So you'll be able to find the progress of the download at the top right of your screen. Now once this executable file has been downloaded on your desktop, just go ahead and click on that file to be able to start installing the application for your desktop device. So you'll be able to find that on the bottom of your screen by clicking on that specific app that is opened on your device. So the app will be opened on your device while it's installing. So as you can see in here, the Reverse 1999 app is opened on my device. So just go ahead and check this checkbox. You can see in here, you can customize the installation in this area by changing file location, but you can also simply install the app by clicking on the Launch Now button, and the installation process will now start for your PC. So take note that once you have this app installed on your device, you'll need to install the other packages that come along with this application, which is about 8.6 gigabytes. You need to make sure that you have a lot of storage space to be able to install the application on your desktop device, and that's how you can simply install Reverse 1999 on desktop. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.